Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss IIT 2020 main examination problems. The first problem is shown here. A body A of mass 0.1 kg has initial velocity of 3 meter per second. It collides elastically with another body B of the same mass, which has an initial velocity of 5 meter per second. After collision, A moves with a velocity v equals to 4I plus j. The energy of B after collision is written as x by 10 joule. The value of x is. Here, event is collision, and nature of collision is perfectly elastic. This gives us a hint that in collision, momentum of the system remains conserved before event and after event, because only internal forces plays role in collision event and external force on system remains zero. At the same time, nature of collision elastic, so the energy of the system remains conserved. When we solve the equations, initial momentum equals to final momentum, and momentum is vector quantity. So substituting all values, we get velocity vector for mass B, and then we calculate the speed, which is root 2 meter per second. When we substitute this value in energy relationship, we get the result 0.1 joule. Here for particle B, the energy is given as x by 10, so we can say that the value of x equals to 1. Now we take another problem from same paper, which is based on circular motion. Here, a particle of mass m is fixed to one end of a light spring having force constant k and unstressed length L. The other end is fixed. The system is given an angular speed omega about the fixed end of the spring such that it rotates in a circle in gravity-free space. Then the stretch in the spring is. As we know that when a particle rotates in circular path, a centripetal force is required. And as in question, we are having a spring, and we know that when a spring gets extended, it applies force. So in this case, we consider that the spring is extended up to x distance, by which spring force Kx provides necessary centripetal force required for circular motion. Substituting these values in equation, we get the result for x. These are the problems and their solution with the concept. If you like this video, then share it, comment, and subscribe the